Ducati has unveiled its latest additions to the Multistrada family for 2025, featuring the new Multistrada V4 and V4S, alongside an updated Pikes Peak model. While all three bikes share a common lineage, their distinct characters cater to different riding styles. The Multistrada V4 is designed with touring and off-road adventures in mind, making it a versatile choice for riders who enjoy both comfort and exploration. In contrast, the Pikes Peak model leans into the sporty side of the spectrum, showcasing its performance prowess. All models are powered by the formidable V4 Granturismo engine, delivering an impressive 170 brake horsepower from a 1,158cc configuration. Notably, the extended deactivation strategy optimizes fuel efficiency by deactivating the rear cylinder bank during low-speed conditions, contributing to a 6% fuel saving while reducing emissions. For those who often ride with a passenger, the standard Multistrada V4 and V4S provide excellent comfort and stability. The new model introduces an enduro riding mode, along with dedicated power and wet riding modes, enhancing its off-road capabilities. On the chassis front, both the Multistrada V4 and V4S feature a lightweight aluminum monocoque frame, paired with a double-sided swing arm made of shell-cast aluminum. The swing arm has been repositioned 1 mm higher, increasing the anti-squat effect of the suspension for improved precision, even under full load. The V4S takes performance a step further with its semi-active Marzocchi suspension, controlled by the Ducati Sky-Hook suspension evolution system. Braking power is supplied by Brembo brakes on both front and rear wheels, ensuring reliable stopping performance. Both models offer 4 power modes and 5 riding modes, including Sport, Touring, Urban, Wet, and Enduro, allowing riders to tailor their experience to a variety of conditions. In summary, the 2025 Ducati Multistrada V4 and V4S are set to impress with their blend of versatility and performance, making them standout choices for adventure riders.